embroidery on postcards. Trial and error. I found these pretty postcards in a craft store and had to make something. I'm drawing a pine tree. Using awl to make holes. I want to embroider with 6 strands, so holes should be big enough. I placed a cushion underneath the card so I wouldn't scratch the table. Switched to the punch needle. Embroidery needle number 5 and 6 strands of cotton thread, not on the end. It's hard to find the hole from the back, so I had to flip the card to see it each time. To secure thread, I separated it to 3 and 3 strands and made a knot. Summary: I don't like big holes near each stitch. The second try, Garland. Decided to poke directly with the needle. Using all 6 strands again. Making kind of stem stitch. And straight stitches. Securing the thread. The next step, huge French knots using 6 wraps. Incredibly huge, 6 strands and 8 wraps knot. Even bigger holes here. The third attempt. This time I made holes with needle at first and went all the way with the needle and 3 strands of thread, no knot on the end, coming from the front to the back, into each hole. Now to the actual stitches. Much easier to make and they don't look as messy. Looks much better. I made the previous designs one more time, using the same technique. Coming down into each hole, from the front to the back. This time I use 3 strands. Securing the thread. First attempt on the right, second on the left. I see big improvement. Again, holes, then knot and stitches. All made with 3 strands. Holes, stitches, and a little bit of holiday spirit. First try on the right, second on the left. To cover stitches, I use tape. It's not the only way, but I find it to be the easiest. You can also cut the shape of a pine tree out of cardboard and glue it on. Write your ideas to cover the bag in comments. So what I used: A6 sized postcards, 400 grams on square meter, embroidery needles, size 5, cotton and metallic 6-strand thread, pencil and scissors. I love to experiment and make videos, and if you love to watch them, become my patron to be the first one to see my videos. Link in the description. And see you in the next video!